Okay, I'm going to give you a little demonstration how to fix accordion type blinds. We have a blind here. It's got the little push button lock mechanism right here. And what you do is you take your hand and look, it is accordion type. Okay, take your hand, slowly pull the blind down to close it. Okay. Okay, blind now is closed. Blind's closed. And what I had was somebody took the blind up like so, and let me see if I can zoom this out. Took the blind, got it way up here, and what they did is they snapped this right here from way up here, and they let it snap. Kind of like, let me see if I can do it without ruining everything again. It went like that, made it do that noise. And what that did was it made it so it would bind right up inside here. There's a line right up. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, there's a cord right inside there. What happened when they did that was there's a knot right up inside there. And to get that knot out, I got just a piece of coat hanger. That's how long it is. Just a coat hanger, just like that. And I put a little bend to it right there. And after I did that, I found out where that knot was. And I went inside to the screen and I pulled out the little line inside there. See if I can pull it out real quick for you. And I can't get it out with another hand. I don't have any more. Anyways, I pull it out real quick. Oh, there we go. Okay, I got it. See, I got the line inside there. What I had to do is I had to lift the blind up and pull on this at the same time so I can get enough cord out. And my son actually got the knot out of the line for me. And so this blind will go up. This is how you put them up. Take it very slowly. That way you will not have to that way you won't have to buy a brand new blind again. Okay?